still have to walk into a structure and smell it and feel the humidity and know the quality of what's in there. And, I mean, like lots of things. But they have this notion that we can take AI, which is just, I mean, we have to remember this is the same machine learning we've been using for 10 years. Okay. I mean, like it's not really that new.
And AI has been around since the 1950s, 60s.
Yeah.
So it's really not.
I mean,
new.
we have better computing power now. And I mean, that's why we can do it. But they think that like it's going to, like, I've been working on something that we'll release here shortly, which has AI estimating in it, but it's not really AI estimating. It's AI assisted estimating. So it's helping you gather information in the field.
And that's a proper use of it. Yeah.
You have to still make the choices because the machine cannot make the choices. It might figure out that the kick plates and the end caps on the cabinets need to be handled whenever it's put in line items. But you got to tell it what kind of cabinets they are. You have a lot of things you have to decide.
Yeah, people have no idea how many decisions they're making within just assessing a claim.
Right. And then so that comes back, and all that's going to happen is the machine's going to do that, but it's not done yet. It's still got to go to a human.
Yeah.
And the human's got to buff it out and then send it back to you just like any other file you touch. And you're still going to touch it. Because it's your file, and you're still going to have something you need to address in it that hasn't done. So it augmented you, but it didn't replace you.
Yes.
You know, and
technology buys back our time, or it enhances our work, but it's still just a tool.